Just a few days ago, our reporters exposed the pathetic condition related to menstrual hygiene amongst women in slums in the heart of the national capital. These women from the underprivileged areas of New Delhi spoke about how they had never seen sanitary pads all their lives and how some had even lost their uteruses to poor menstrual hygiene.
ये देखो, ये अभी फटा हुआ है, ये किसी काम का नहीं है, तो फिर ये फाड़ के और ये पहन के और ये लपेट के फिर डाल देते चड्डी के अंदर।
वो हमारी तो ऐसे ऐसे करके कोई कपड़ा रखने में कोई चीज़ इस्तेमाल करते हैं, परेशानी होती है ना, तो हमारी तो बच्चेदानी भी चले गई। देखो,
Following these startling revelations, Project Bala, an NGO from Delhi, came forward, did workshops in the slums that our reporters visited, and distributed free sanitary pads to these women. Pads that were safe for use and that would last them for 2 years.
I think one thing that really excited us about the probe was it was one of the few journalist agencies that is doing impact journalism, and one of the few media houses that is actually focusing on the impact instead of just talking about it. Right from the founder Prema ma'am to working with all of the team at the probe, we realized that they are very heavily have given importance to impact, and they want to get stories from on ground, give a voice to the people that we are working with, and that is something that is very exciting for us.
In places like Maharana Pratap refugee camp, Majnu Ka Tila Juggi, where our reporters uncovered horrid conditions of menstrual hygiene, these volunteers from Project Bala not only distributed reusable, safe-to-use sanitary pads, but they also held workshops to create awareness amongst women on the importance of menstrual hygiene.
मैंने अक्सर देखा है इन लड़कियों को, ये लोग कपड़ा यूज़ करते हैं, बार बार उसी गंदे कपड़े को इस्तेमाल करते हैं, पत्ते यूज़ करते हैं, राख यूज़ करते हैं, बहुत सारी चीज़ें जो इनके लिए इट्स बैड, बहुत नुकसान देती है इनकी बॉडी को।
अभी तक over 70,000 women I think impacted हैं from this project. Impact journalism I think is बहुत ज़्यादा important because मेन सिटी से जुड़ा हुआ ही है इस्लाम, बट स्टिल ये अभी तक किसी को इसके बारे में पता नहीं था।
In my experience, I saw many part of the country, women are not even using a rag cloth. They are using sawdust, dry tree leaves, ash, old newspaper. Even some part of Northeast, they are applying yellow sand on the private part.
The probe's initiative aims to further bring in a change in the lives of many more women when it comes to their menstrual health. But for now, the smiles on the faces of these women have kept the flame of our impact journalism mission burning. We hope to collaborate with many more organizations like Project Bala towards making an impact on stories that matter to people.